12 critical elements every website homepage must have, or you will lose your visitors. Why your homepage matters. First impression happens in seconds, so clarity beats creativity in most cases. Your website homepage has one job, and if it fails at that job, visitors don't complain, they just leave. They are gone in 60 seconds. No second chances, no explanation, they are just gone. In this video, I will show you 12 critical elements every homepage must have if you want results, want visitors to stay, trust you, and to take action. Whether you are a business owner, a creative, or a brand, your homepage is your digital front door. It is the first impression, it sets the tone, and in just a few seconds, it answers one question in the mind of the visitor. Am I in the right place? Let's break down what actually makes an homepage works. Number one, clear value proposition. The moment someone lands on your homepage, they should immediately understand three things: who you help, what you do, and why it matters. If this isn't clear in 5 seconds, they are gone. As I said, gone in 60 seconds. If your visitor has to think, scroll, or guess, you have already lost them. Your value proposition isn't about sounding impressive, it is about being instantly clear. Number two, strong headline. Your headline is the most important text on your homepage. A strong headline is simple, benefit driven, easy to understand. So you need to avoid buzzwords, avoid vague languages. If your headline sounds clever but confusing, it's not doing its job. Number three, we have supporting headline. Right under the headline should be a supporting headline that adds clarity. This is where you explain what you do, how you do it, and who it's for. Think explanation, not poetry. Clarity always beats cleverness. Number four, clear call to action, CTA. Your homepage should never leave your visitor wondering what to do next. Tell them clearly, book a call, get started, contact us, watch a video. Every page needs direction. If you don't guide your visitors, they will exit. Number five, easy navigation. Your navigation menu should feel familiar and effortless. It should be simple, predictable, easy to scan. If visitors feel lost or overwhelmed, they won't explore, they would leave. Good navigation builds confidence. Number six, visual hierarchy. Your design should guide the visitor's eyes naturally. Important elements should stand out, be easy to find, flow logically. Design isn't about decoration, it is about guidance. Number seven, trust signals. People don't trust websites, they trust proof. So your own page should include testimonials, it should include reviews, whether it's from Google or any word of mouth reviews, it should include it. Client logos, certifications, trust signal reduces doubt and increases confidence. Number eight, relevant imagery or video. Relevant images or videos. Every image on your homepage should serve a purpose. Use visuals that shows outcome, represent your audience, support your message. Don't use generic stock photos or videos with no meaning that will hurt the credibility of your website more than it will help it. Number nine, benefit over features. Most websites make mistake. They talk about what they offer instead of how it helps the visitor. Don't just list features, explain the transformation or result. People buy outcomes, not futures. Number 10, mobile optimization. The majority of your visitors are on their phones. So if your home page is hard to read, loads slowly, breaks on mobile, then it's not working. Mobile friendly is no longer optional, it is essential. So make sure that the scale of your home page or other page on your website is readable. 11 on the list, social proof. Social proof reinforce trust through real experience. So this can include real feedback, real people, or real result. So when visitors see others succeeding with you, it lowers resistance and increase action. The 12th one, fast load speed. Speed build trust. A slow website tells visitors this brand is outdated. This experience will be frustrating. Many users leave before the page even finish loading. So speed matters more than you think. Home page isn't there to impress, it is there to guide. If your home page is confusing, cluttered, or unclear, it costs you opportunities. So what you need to do right now is to audit your home page if you have a website already. If you don't have a website, then you can go along and build a website with the 12 information that I've given to you. Fix what you are missing and build a website that actually works. See you in the next video.